Hey kings and queens, prince and princesses, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the channel. It's your girl Letha. So today we're gonna be doing a dorm room tour, you feel me? I am a private and college student. I am a health policy and management major, political science minors. I'm on the pre-law track. Wish me luck, y'all. Jesus, take the weed. So basically, I'm an RA this year, so I get to have my own room, which is really exciting because this room is like really big and comfortable. It's where I can actually I feel free, I can find my own individuality within here. I can be independent. I can explore. I can dance. I can do whatever I want. I can do fashion. I can study. It's a freedom, like having your own little space that you can explore yourself and just shine and be you. Let me just show you guys what I'm gonna start right here. Okay, so this is like my favorite part of the room, literally, y'all. So I got this throw, this one right here. I got it from Paddington Cole Fabric, and I got my bed sheet from Target. It came with this case, so this and this came together. And this right here is from TJ Maxx, and the this puffy pillow is really comfortable. I got this from Target also. I got the bed head from, where did I get the bed head? I got this my sophomore year, so I think I got it from Walmart. I ordered it online. It was on Walmart for $105. So yeah, I got this from Walmart. And the background you see here is just a paper, wallpaper that I got from Amazon. Let's just move on to the next place. Alright, y'all. So the next thing I'm gonna be showing you is this little corner right here. It's like my favorite corner of the room, y'all. As you already, probably aware of this, like a lot of learning this year is online. It's a virtual learning, so I wanted to create this little spot I can sit and just be comfortable while I'm in class. So this is what I did. I got this chair from Wayfair, and I have this Out of Future playing from Amazon, and that little pillows from some kind of beauty store. I forgot where it is from. And a throw from Walmart. I just have it in the chair, and yeah, I just make it comfortable and it's very cute. On the wall, I also have this 3 frame from Amazon. I think it was like $25, and as you see, my favorite color is rose pink, so you'll see a little bit of rose pink everywhere in the room. But yeah, I also got the rug. I have a rug in front of the chair right here, which is from Paddington Cole Fabric. So I'm just gonna show you everything else. So that's the best side of the room right there, and it's to the window. Let me bring you guys a little bit closer. So you see to the window, I have my tripod. I don't know why I have the tripod up there, but I have a picture of my mom on a little bag. And the white curtain is from Walmart, and then the glitter curtain is from Amazon. Okay, so the next place I'm gonna be showing you is my beauty / study desk. It's right here. As you can see, the background is it's kind of like green leaves everywhere. I just wanted to bring a little bit of nature in a room, feel like I'm outside, but it's not a real plan, but it just gave me a whole it gave me that idea of nature and comfort and freedom. So I have the Out of Future plane that I got from Amazon just back there, and I also have the LED light just going on. So on the desk, on top of the desk, I have my makeup and stuff, like my palette, highlighter, contour, and everything, beauty blender. And I have this star thing that was given to me by my hall director, my boss. She's so cute, yo, Krista, thank you. And then right there, I have this beauty thing that was given to me by, I think I ordered makeup online, just sent me that. And then in there I have my my godmother pictures. She's in Africa, so I just have a picture of her. When I miss her, I just look at that. And then I need to change my makeup bags, but basically it's a whole mess. I've been having that for over 4 years now, so I need to change. Anyways, coming down, we have this little desk, whatever going on here. I have my notebooks, books, and everything in here, and then just a free space. And if you come in the corner right here, have all of my masks and my fridge is right here. And then over here, just have my beauty nighttime routine products and stuff. There, it's a little messy, but don't judge me. I'm just trying to do the best I can, you feel me? So right here I have my shoes, my beach hat, another heels, my coats, all my winter coats. Not all of them, but like the one I usually use, like my everyday one. I have it in here, like, you know, just keep it simple. This is like the cute one, so I put it in right here. And then going back to my room, have like this little hallway. So I have like the bra on the floor. I have this little desk. I have my underwears and stuff. Here I have a picture of my auntie and myself and graduation and posters and my backpacks and like extra stuff. And then in here is an extra closet, but we're not gonna go in there because it's an overview. So this is it. Thank you so much for watching. It was exciting just showing you guys where I live and what I do. So thank you for watching. Do not forget to like and subscribe. I'll see you in my next video. Bye, kids.